Hello, my name is Zara and I'm going to show you how to use Teamwork. Teamwork is a cloud-based project management system which we use to keep communication and files in one place. You will receive login details directly from Teamwork plus an email from myself. Once you have received these, please log into Teamwork. Once logged in, you will see your project overview on your dashboard, displaying the latest activity in your project. There are 3 important functions of Teamwork that I want to share with you today. The first is how to send a message. Click on More to reveal the Messages tab. Then select Add a Message. You will see that there is an option here to upload a file if you wish. Once you have typed your message, before you hit Post Message, please select who you want to see your message by selecting People. This is a vital step and ensures we receive a notification that you have sent us a message. If you receive a message from us via Teamwork, a copy of the message will appear in your email inbox. You will be able to respond to this in the usual way by selecting Reply. However, do not attach files when replying in this way. To attach a file, please log into Teamwork instead. Please also be aware that you cannot send a new message from your email account to the email address you receive Teamwork messages from. To send new messages, you must log into Teamwork. I'm now going to show you how to upload a file without sending a message. Click on the Files tab. Here you will find all the relevant files for your project and they'll be displayed in categories down the side here. To upload a file, click Upload Files. Now we click on Add Files and select the chosen file. Again, make sure you select who you wish to be notified. Click on Upload these files. This may seem obvious, but it is a vital step which is sometimes forgotten, and if not done, the upload of your files is not completed. We can now see that our file is safely there. Another great feature of Teamwork is milestones. To keep you on track during your author adventure, we will set you some milestones. These will be certain dates we need completed tasks by in order for your book project to stay on track. To view your milestones at any time, click here. There are not many here at the moment, and don't worry if when you log on there are none there at all. This may be because you are still at the start of your author adventure. You will receive a separate email containing your milestones once we have set them. Once you have done a task, simply tick it off. And that's it. If you have any questions regarding how to use Teamwork, please get in touch with us. Thank you.